like,
fun.
watch the bus. Right next to that.
Yeah. This is like my dream bike ride. This is so awesome. I'm enjoying it so much.
So we have a list of who's gonna bike in the morning because we have a size of the bikes.
Cycling group in the morning.
Morning. Okay, that's great. We have the group 1. This is Christopher.
If you can raise your hand, make sure we
Yeah.
okay.
Katie. Kyle. Chase. Ken. Laura. Luke. Isaac. Nicholas. Ryan. Owen.
Okay. So that's all group number 1 that'll go biking in the morning. Yeah.
So the group number 2. David. Joshua. Megan. Beth. Austin. Trinson. Aaron. Gerson. Zachary. Okay. Group number 2.
Alright, this is what we got. Apparently it's beans. It's very hot, so I've just been spooning it out. And it tastes kind of like a grainy, watered down hot chocolate. What do you think, Luke?
I agree with that. It was really good.
We had this little soup thing. It's kind of dark brownish. It's really good.
Bean soup.
Bean soup. I liked it a lot more than I thought it would.
So we are hiking right now up to a nice view place on the top of the hill to our left. We're kind of just walking through town, I think. We got volcanoes. We're the hiking group. The other group's gonna be the biking group. They're gonna be mountain biking. I don't know where. I think it's gonna be pretty fun. We're at a tree nut planting place.
And you are?
Allergic to tree nuts.
Nice.
There's a lot.
Every one of these, every macadamia needs 7 months or 9 months to grow.
That massage was the greatest thing that ever happened to me.
You may know we are wilderness medicine experts, and we teach wilderness medicine. And we like to teach things that are unusual, and we've heard a story from you regarding a rare snake in Guatemala that the farmers sometimes encounter.
Yeah, usually at the Pacific coast, which is the temperature is warmer, it's really hot and humid. So the farmers working at the sugar cane crops, they don't have the facilities like a restroom. So they need to go, you know,
Wherever they can find
it.
Yeah.
But it's not a rattlesnake, but it's small compared to the rattlesnake, and it's skinny. It looks like a stick.
And is it brown or green?
It's
or?
green.
Green,
So
so it's hard to spot.
It's hard to see them because they're just hiding.
Okay.
If you are in the wrong place, doing your business, they can go all the way through your body.
So they enter your body when you finish your business.
And or maybe you have the chance to finish, and they're going inside, and you can't pull it out because the skin they have like
it opens
up and they can't cut because it's sharper. So you have to let it go.
Wow.
The next thing to do is to drink a lot of milk. They don't like milk. They're going to turn, and then when you feel that it's coming out, you can pull it. But
So when he's headed the other direction, the scales don't work. So there
it
you
works.
Oh,
So
yeah.
they go easy. So you just need to relax and let it go.
So do the farmers have a name for this snake?
Tapalcua. And this is like, you know, in some wild rivers, if you pee in there, you can have that problem.
We've been in those rivers in the Amazon. Yeah.
Yeah, and here it's the opposite.
Wow. Well, that's very good advice. So,
How long does it take for the snake to realize that you're drinking milk?
A couple hours.
so you get well acquainted with him.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
But of course, what we recommend is to go to visit the doctor.
Yeah.
Of course. Some people like to medicate, and they know, local people know, so they are drinking a lot of milk.
Right away.
So don't go there.
We'll cover this in our medical classes from now on to make sure that we don't have that problem, right? In our preparation.
Actually, where you going, the places that you're going,
Not a
you're gonna be
problem.
fine. Not a problem.
Not a problem.
Not a problem.
Wow. Well, thank you for that information.
My
That's
pleasure,
very
sir.
rare.
Hello. Hey guys. Hello there.
bike ride right now through some cities in Guatemala. We're kind of all connected, so I don't really know which one's which.
It's exactly like that. They're riding right next to us like
We're
that.
riding right next to people like that.
It's a little sketchy, but it's pretty
Like,
fun.
watch the bus.
Right next to that.
Yeah. This is like my dream bike ride. This is so awesome. I'm enjoying it so much.
Welcome back. Yeah, how'd it go?
This is the greatest bike ride of my life.
Nice.
We were just going, like, after we hit the chocolate factory, we're just going downhill, and that's when, like, we actually got to mountain bike.
Yeah, there was a lot less traffic after the chocolate factory, so it was a lot more just like having fun, hitting bumps. We were hitting the slopes left and right. I mean, Isaac was going like that.
That was the greatest bike ride of my life. I